I am Kirubainesan, Assistant Professor in AJK College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about a concept, CONCERD. CONCERD is otherwise known as a subject-verb agreement. Let us see what is subject and what is verb. Verb is nothing but the one who performs an action in a sentence is called a subject, or the doer of an action is called subject. For an example, Peter go to church. Here, goes is an action performed by Peter in this sentence. So, Peter is a subject. So, let us see what is verb. Verb indicates an action. Example, I eat an apple. The word eat is a verb here because it indicates an action. As I said already, CONCERD is a subject-verb agreement, which means that in a sentence, a verb must agree with the subject. Verb should be used based on the subject in a sentence. The rule number 1, a singular subject should have a singular verb. For an example, she writes every day. So here, she is a singular noun, so that we use the word writes. When it is a simple present tense, third person is in a singular, we have to add yes or es with the main verb. So that's the reason why we have add es with the verb. Next, if we have a plural subject, plural verb should be used. For an example, they write every day. Next rule, when the subject of the sentence is composed of two or more noun or pronoun connected by and, use plural verb. Example, Ram and Peter playing cricket. Ram is a subject, Peter is also a subject. Here in this sentence, there are two subjects of here. So, when it is and to the subjects connected by and, there we have to consider the verb as a plural. Next one, if you find a word they in a sentence instead of any plural subject, we have to consider the word they as a plural, so that we have to use a plural verb here. Example, the cars create pollution. So instead of the word cars, if they use the word they, we have to consider the verb as a plural verb. So that's the reason why we have to say they create pollution. The next rule, if we have it is a subject of the sentence, use singular verb. Example, it's pretty. It is a subject here. For that, we use the verb is. So next rule, some nouns ends with the letter S, but they are not singular in meaning. Examples, the words like physics, news. Physics is a great subject. The word physics ends with the letter S, but singular in meaning. So singular verb should be used. So next one, some plural nouns look like a singular, but they are plural in meaning. The words like teeth, feet, people, police, these words must be followed by plural